In this video, I'll show you how to use your phone as a microphone on your PC. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like, and let's jump straight into this guide. The first thing you need to do is actually go onto your phone, and this phone could be an iOS device, an Android device, they should all work. I'm using an iPhone, but that doesn't matter, and let's go and open up the App Store, and the app you need to go and get is called WO Mic. As you can see, that's what you can go and search. It'll be on Google Play as well. Go and search for it, and then we can go and download it. So go and press get, like so. And once it's finished downloading, you can then go and tap on open just like this, and it's now loading. Now, what we need to do is actually head onto our computer now, and you need to go and open up a web browser. This can be any type, Chrome, Edge, whatever it wants to be. And then you just need to go and type in exactly as we typed in on our App Store or Play Store, WO Mic, like so. Then what we want to do is make sure you go to this top website here, WO Mic free microphone, like this, and wait for it to load. Then what you need to do is go on to the left hand side where it says download, like this, and as you can see it's giving us these steps. Then what you need to do is scroll down, and we've actually done the first step already, and then what we need to do is go and get VC Runtime. So press VC Runtime just here, and this will start the download. This is like a Microsoft Windows file, so download that. And then what we need to do is also go and get the WO Mic installer. So press here as well, and the download should begin. So the first thing we need to do is go and install the VC Runtime redistributable file. So go and tap on it like this, and you may go and get a Windows security pop-up. I've already read this before, so I'll press install. And as you can see in my case, I've already got this product installed, so I can just press close and that's fine. But if you haven't, then go through with it and go and install it. Then what we can do is go and run the mic setup. So I'm going to go and tap on it like so, and I'll then get a Windows security pop-up. Just go and tap yes on that, otherwise you can't continue. Now what we can do is go and close off of our browser like this, and we can go and select our language. So I'll choose English, then we can go and press next. Then we've got all these different things we can go and install. You need to make sure both of these are ticked. Then you want to go and press next, then you can choose where it's installed, then hit install, and it's now installing. And as you can see, to finish the install, we then need to go and restart our computer, so I'll see you after we've done that. After you've rebooted your system, we can then go and run the WO Mic client. So in my case, it's on my desktop, but if you can't find it on your desktop, just go and search for it. So I'm gonna go and run it just like this, and as you can see, here it is. Now, what we need to do is go and open up your phone again, just like so, and I'm going to go and open up the WO Mic app. So what you need to do is go into the WO Mic client on your computer, tap on connection, and then connect, just like this. Then what you need to do is make sure Wi-Fi is selected, and what you need to do is follow these instructions here. Make sure your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi, which I know they are. If you don't know they are, then open up your device settings and make sure they're on the same network. Then what we need to do is go and select Wi-Fi as transport on phone and start the server. So I'm going to go and press on start in the bottom left like so, and go and press on start in the bottom left like so, and as you can see it now says started Wi-Fi, and it gives this IP address. So what you now need to do is type that IP address into your computer as well. So as you can see, I'm just going to type mine in now, make sure they're exactly the same. Then once you've done that and they match up, then what you need to do is then press connect at the bottom like so. And as you can see, I've now got this pop-up on my phone saying WO Mic would like to find devices. So I can then press allow, and then I have to press OK just to make sure everything's connected right. If you got an error like I did there, that's just because things are a little slow the first time. All you need to do is press connection again, press connect, and everything, make sure the IP address is still the same on both devices, then press connect. And as you can see, it now says connected, and it also says connected on my phone. So now if I go and open up my sound settings on my computer, and then what you need to do is go and open up your settings on your computer. So you can go and tap on the search icon or the Windows icon and press settings. Then what we need to do is go to system, and then we can go to sound like this, and it'll take a moment to load. What you want to do is scroll down to input, and as you can see, I've got this option here for microphone and WO Mic device. This means you're now using your iPhone mic, so make sure you keep the connection. And if we open up an app like Discord, then you can go to the bottom left and go and press on the user settings, and then scroll down to app settings and voice and video. And then for the input device, we can then go and select the WO Mic device. And I'm now going to be using my iPhone mic, and we can do a check like so, and it's working fine. And that's it guys. And I want to quickly mention that WO Mic does have a subscription, but you don't need to use it. I'm not using it in this case, and the basic features are going to work fine without it. But of course, if you want to go and support the developers, then do go and subscribe. So yeah, if you guys found this useful, please go down below and leave me a like. Peace.